Levatas started about 20 years ago in my garage in Jupiter, Florida. So we are a true Florida startup. At Levatas, we build the artificial intelligence that powers mobile robots, autonomous drones, and really anything with a camera. We build the cognitive intelligence, and that's paired with what we call the athletic intelligence of our amazing hardware partners. We allow them to understand their environments. We train them to understand what they're seeing and then what to do about it. We then take those insights and we integrate them into our customers' systems so they can take action. Those actions are focused around worker safety, how to take humans out of harm's way, to put workers who might be currently needing to walk through a highly electrified facility. At Levatas, we are privileged to be a customer of Florida Power & Light, as our solutions do require clean, affordable, reliable power. AI is going to be a part of everyone's world soon, but in the field of robotics and automating industrial inspection, it's happening here and now. This year, we're really excited about our growth trajectory. We're signing new customers at the global level, also right here in our region. And really, we've seen South Florida become much more of a magnet for this type of technology talent. So we are able to find the resources that we need as we're growing, and we are growing. We're excited to be adding new team later this year and keep our growth track alive and well.